Hello mga tihik, mayong buntag na to diha. So, ani ata karon sa gawas sa Robinson Cybergate kay atong i-try og check kung available na ang akong ATM card sa Robinson's Bank. So, if you can remember, I think last month I posted a picture about the simple savings account sa Robinson's Bank. So today, ato i-try og check kung available na ang ako ang ATM card. Alright.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Okay, so I'm now inside Robinson's Bank and I'm just waiting for my ATM. So, I got here my initial deposit. And so, later maybe we can discuss how to take advantage of or how to avail of the Simple Savings Bank. Okay? Yes, finally, nakuha ra dyan na to ang akong ATM card. So, after 10 days, 10 working days, na-deliver or available na akong card. So, right now, na ako sa ATM machine to change the PIN. And so, after that, muli sa ko and then we'll discuss things about Robinson Simple Savings and including their online banking and everything I know sa ilahang Simple Savings Bank. Alright, so back to our show. So as mentioned earlier, we will talk about today yung saan ako pag-apply sa Robinson's Simple Savings account. So I just got my ATM card and right now we will discuss the things on how you can also take advantage of opening your own Robinson's bank account. Before we proceed, we're here today sa Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf sa May Mabolo, just across Landers. And so, as always, I'd like to thank Lloyd for giving us another discounted drink, and I think later on he'll give me another cup of coffee. Basta na to siya internal arrangement. So, going back, we will be discussing today on how you can take advantage or open your own Robinson's Bank Simple Savings account. So, it's very easy, very convenient, unlike any other savings account from other big banking institutions such as BDO, BPI, Metro Bank, and the like. So, very simple step. 3 steps actually is first is you need to prepare your requirements, which is just two valid IDs and your initial deposit, which is it's only 100 pesos. So if you are to try opening a bank account sa BDO, normally it would require you to have an initial deposit of 2,000 pesos. But with Robinson's, it's only 100 pesos initial deposit. So after you have prepared 2 valid IDs, no need for you to have it photocopied because they have their own photocopy machine. So once you get inside the bank, they will give you this application form. So just fill it out. They have highlighted all the fields that you need to fill out. So as mentioned earlier, there are just 3 simple steps. First is you fill out the application form. Then second is you present your valid IDs. And third is, of course, you give your initial deposit, which is just 100 pesos. So after that, you have successfully opened your Robinson's Bank Simple Savings account. Now, if you'd like to have your own ATM card you have to pay an extra 150 pesos. So technically, all in all, on your first visit, upon opening your account, you have to shell out a total of 250 pesos for the initial deposit. So after 7 to 10 banking days, then you can go back to the branch where you opened your bank account, and then you'll be able to receive your ATM card. Okay, so what's good about their ATM card or this bank account is Agilang ATM is affiliated na sa Visa, so you can use this anywhere, purchase online. You can also use this as a debit card to pay for your bills to any establishment nga mo accept og debit. So again, one of the best thing nga akong masulti about opening your Robinsons simple savings account is there's no maintaining balance required. So unlike, again, as I mentioned earlier, big banking institutions, they would require you to have a maintaining balance on average at least 2,000 pesos. So with Robinsons, you are not required to have a maintaining balance. So after you have deposited your initial money, given your initial deposit, then after you have claimed your ATM card, then you can withdraw it right away if that's what you want to do. So, but that's not the purpose on why I encourage you to open your savings account with Robinson. So, unlike any other bank, so one disadvantage is just a neutral thing is they just have a very limited branch. From what I know, they have all Robinsons malls here in Cebu City, Naslay branch, so mainly in Robinsons Fuente, Robinsons Cybergate, and Robinsons Cebu Galleria. And each of those malls Naslay Robinsons Bank branch. So with that, you can open it anytime, and also what's good about it is kuan siya, very convenient, and they also have a mobile application where you can check your balance, you can transfer funds, or you can pay bills through online banking using their mobile application. So you can also transfer funds to your friends, to your family, bisan asa nga bank accounts. So on the other hand, one of the cons, not really cons, but I think it's just a strategy for, of course, banks are still businesses. Every time you withdraw in your account is na siya charge nga 5 pesos. That's if you are using Robinsons Bank na ATM. But as we all know, if it's linked to BankNet, you can see that if it's linked to BankNet, I think na ay interbank charge. So I think it's 15 pesos if I'm not mistaken. So if you withdraw funds from your Robinsons simple savings account using a non-Robinsons ATM card, so most likely you'll have about 20 pesos deduction. So that's one thing that you have to consider. Aside from that, I think you don't need to inquire of the balance because you can do it online using the mobile app, but every time you withdraw, there is a service charge for that. But if you do a fund transfer, I think there's also a service charge for every transaction. So also another thing that you have to take note is this savings account can only hold up to 45,000 pesos. So if it's more than that, and I think they would encourage you to open a regular savings account or create a different bank account. But for starters who wanted to open a bank account, walay balance, maintaining balance required. So this one is a good option for you. So just visit their website and check on other mga terms and conditions, service charge, and the like para you're fully informed before ka mo decide to open a bank account with Robinsons Bank. So again, no maintaining balance, and it's just very easy to open your bank account with them. And lastly, I think what's also good for me having limited number of branches is knowing that there is about 20 pesos deduction every time you withdraw is psychologically it would limit you or somehow inhibits you from withdrawing from your savings account. So again, the purpose of us opening an account is to have savings, but if you keep on withdrawing, so that's still up to you. So muna siya ang mga things that you have to consider. So if you haven't had any savings account yet, kay maglisod ka open because of the initial deposit, which is ranging from 2,000 to 5,000 depende sa bank. So Robinsons Bank is a good option for you, and you could also use this if as a payroll maybe. If you are a small business, you can have your employees open their own savings account with Robinsons. Kaya wala siya maintaining balance, and they have that option. But again, as what I mentioned earlier, they have limited outlets, ATM machines. So that's also something that you have to consider. So they also accept check deposits, one-day clearing ra siya, as what the teller mentioned when I opened the account. Kaya nag-ask man ko mga other information. So, but cut-off period is about 12 noon. So, if beyond that, then the following day na siya ma-clear. So, what do you think, guys? So far, those are the things that are very important to know when you want to open your own savings account. So again, it's not too late for you to open your own savings account. I think most of us kay dili jud very informed. We're not taught as in our childhood days now to save, but it's never too late for us to open our own bank account. So if you have any comments or suggestions, or if you have opened your own savings account from different bank which offers the same privileges, so just leave a comment below for us to reevaluate and maybe have our other viewers reassess and give them options which is best for their needs. So I think that's just it for now. So I hope to see you again next week for another video. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.